Hi. In this video we will see how fast it is to record a production issue in SimpliRP. This example deals with production without a customer order. Go to Fast Processing. Enter item code of raw material. SimpliRP will show all the heat number and the available stock. This will show only if stock is available for that batch or heat number. Select the machine. Enter quantity and remarks if any. That's it. Production issue happens in seconds. If we print that issue voucher, you can see whole lot of info already mentioned there. Now we will do production entry against the raw material issued. Go to Production Receipts. Select the issue voucher number. In the pop-up, enter the produced item code. Enter quantity and remarks if any. That's all. The production data recorded in seconds. Now, we will go to Production Issue and Receipt Report. Select the date range. You can see all production issues done and produced quantity against the issues. We can also go to Route Card Tracking of Batch Report. Select the date, raw material item code. SimpliRP will prompt with all applicable batch or heat numbers. Select that. You can see when that item was first purchased, issued, product produced and stock. Also you can check on the stock of the produced item. It has been already added to stock, including all the production data. You can also see the MIV statement where it will show the item issued and its produced item. There are several production and manufacturing process entries possible in SimpliRP. SimpliRP is the easiest way for your production management. Please contact us for more features. Thank you.